So here I'd like to explain you how the Systembrett website works. So just click on the link. There it will open. You can choose English language on the top, and then you don't need to register, log in or sign up. You just click on the button Try Now. It will load. And on the very first screen you will see a quick guide. What are the steps? What are the keys for using your keyboard? So basically it's all self-explanatory. You click R to reload the board if you want to just clean all the figures and restart from the beginning. Then the letter B, if you click on B, then it will just remove the background. If you don't like the kind of room type environment for your constellation board, you can create names for the figures. So for example, one is current self, the other is your upgraded self. Then you can remove the name tags if you wish. You can also delete selected figure with the letter D. And then you can actually double click on each figure and see each other from that perspective. And then if you want to go out from there, you click Q, and then you will quit that inside view. And then the F is just showing all the shelf of figures that you can use. So in this exercise that we're inviting you to do, you basically can, pick up the figure of the current self, and maybe then, well, the other figure that is more maybe you in the future. So you can just drag the figures to any part of the constellation board where you want. Then you can turn the figure. So for example, maybe you want to look at each other from the perspective of now to the perspective of the future. So you can turn the figure. You can also think of a size. Maybe the future self, upgraded self, is a little bit bigger than the one right now. So you can turn the board in any way you wish. It could be like that. It could be like this. And as I said, you can actually click on the figure so you see how it looks like, and you can turn to any direction you wish to align yourself in the view you want. And with the key Q, you go back. And then all the other objects that we have in the explanation, you can also add them, so maybe indeed it's other people, maybe it's some events, maybe some certain things that are on the pathway towards your next transformation moment. You can just have them, and then you can click on the name tag, and yeah, you can just move this board in any way you wish. You can also go and have a view from your future self. So by clicking, you can see your current self and reflect based on the questions that we provided you. And then just make a screenshot and share a reflection, both together with the picture. We are really curious to know what you came up with.